Hey guys, Amy Jo here, and today we are going to be using the Cutie Stix jewelry maker. I thought it would be fun to do a little crafty video. Okay, so it looks like inside the box we're going to have a little, I was going to say machine, maybe not a machine. I don't know what you would call it. We're going to have this little gadget, and then it looks like we're going to have these sticks, and then we're going to, I'm guessing, I'm just kind of making this up. I haven't read it. I'm going by the pictures. We're gonna cut the sticks and cut them down to like the size we want and then use them to make jewelry. Doesn't that look cute? Okay, yeah, so right here, cut it, create it, show it. And it says that we have 15 of the sticks in 2 different sizes. All right, so let's see. I received this actually kind of a while ago now. I feel bad that I'm just now getting around to making the video, but it's been a crazy summer. Okay, here are the little sticks. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Cutie Stix is the perfect name. Okay, let's take a look. Oh my gosh. They're like little emoji. Ooh, I love this one. It's like a rainbow swirl. These are so cute. There's panda and frog, grapefruit, just some cool different colors and shapes. An owl, a cupcake, a heart. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. That's like maybe a jellyfish? Look at the jellyfish. Ah, that's really cute. Oh, there's a little puppy that reminds me of Zoomy. Okay, let's see. Gosh, these are so cute. Did we see them all? We didn't see that one yet. Okay, so we have the 2 different things that come with it. This is the cutting unit, so this cuts it, and this is the coring unit, and that makes a little hole in it so that we can thread it to make our jewelry. And this comes with 2 different cutting frames because we have different sizes. So this one is for the big Cutie Sticks, and this one is for the small ones. And then this bag is full of the materials that we need to make the jewelry. So we have pink and purple thread, and then the clasps and little spacers. Okay, so I think we'll start by making a few cuts. So this looks really cute. So thank you to the makers of Cutie Stix for sending this to me to show you guys. Okay, so let's start with, let's do the big one. So we'll put the Cutie stick in there. Looks like I have it backwards. There we go. Does that matter? It kind of does. Okay. And then we put this in here. I think I'm gonna get the directions to make sure. And then we have this little wand. I don't think I showed you this yet, but we use this to press this all the way back. It's way in there. Can you see that? So I pressed it back as far as it can go. And you can see, there it is. And now we're gonna press down and it's gonna cut it. Ooh, that was easy, actually. And now we tilt it forward. Oh, it's in there. There it is. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Wow, look at how perfectly it cut that. Our next step is to core it, or to make a little hole in it. Now, since we have a face, if we put a hole from front to back, it will hang like this and we won't get to see how cute it is. So we want to put a hole going from side to side. So then the string will go in one side and out the other, and we'll be able to see the cute little kissy face. Okay, this is the coring container, and we're gonna press this inside, and there are 2 of these, one for the big Cutie Sticks and one for the small. We're gonna close it. So if we wanted to, we could put a hole in it going through the front, but we don't wanna do that because we don't wanna ruin its cute little face. And actually, the way that you put it in there is very important because the hole is gonna go, we want it to go from side to side so we can see the little face. So we wanna place it in like this. There. Now it's ready. Okay, here we go. Wow, cool. Look at that. All right, let's do another. Okay, I was a little nervous before because I've never done this before, but now I feel very confident. Now we want to do this the same way. We want to do it from side to side. That one's still stuck inside. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Okay, let's try this one. So this goes in the small one, the small tray. Press this inside. Push it all the way back. I had it right the first time. That's funny. Uh-oh. There it is. Oh my gosh, this one's so cute. Okay, so this is what we have so far. We have the heart and the swirly rainbow and the little kissy emoji. And so I'm thinking we'll do 1 or 2 more and then we'll make some jewelry. That way our video won't be so long. Okay, I was reading the directions and I figured something out. So these little clear things are not spacers. I thought they were part of the jewelry making, but they're actually to make little figurines or figures, I guess. Like you can make little characters, so those join the different parts. So you could do like, this could be an ear. And this could be like, well, that might be, I guess an arm is a stretch. But, okay, so that's what these little clear things are for. All right, so let's grab our thread. I thought we would use purple. And I made a second one of these. And then see how this works? And you make a little necklace. Or you make a little bracelet. Isn't that cute? So you cut off the amount of thread that you need. Let's see here. I'm gonna feed this in through here so that we can hide the knot on the inside of the connector. So I made like a bracelet. Size 1. You could do a bracelet or a necklace. Or an anklet. That would be cute. This is probably going to be a little long because I have really teeny tiny wrists. Guess I have to cut that. I was gonna try to measure it first. Okay, so I put the wrong connector on. You're supposed to put one of each. Look. So I'm gonna have to redo that really quickly and then it'll snap together. I think. Oh my goodness. Okay, I fixed it. This is why you guys should always watch me before if you get a toy, you should watch because I make mistakes a lot. And then you can learn from my mistakes and you won't make the same mistake. Okay, this does clip together. I just had it that way, but it's a little bit tricky. It's not tricky to do like on my lap. It's just weird to do in front of the camera. There, I got it. Okay, so next, let's make a necklace. That's really cute, isn't it? And here I am modeling it for you. This will look much cuter on you than it does on me. Okay, so for our necklace, so far we have this, and then I was thinking, I don't know. This is cute. I really like this too. Let's do a few of these. Okay, so we have 2 of those, and for a second I was thinking this, but now I'm thinking this because this all looks really cute together. Watch right there. I don't know if anything interesting happens, but maybe. Okay, now we have our 2 little owls. So we have these, and then we have our little stars, and we need to core the little things. The big heart already has the hole in it, so we'll do these now. Now I'm thinking with the star, you want to line it up so that the hole goes through the flat part and not the pointy part. I don't know if that's even possible. Oops. That was loud. This only goes in one way and I get it wrong every time. Okay, here we go. Ready? Okay, it worked. Ooh, it's not perfect, but it did work. Oh boy, the owl's kind of sideways. Uh-oh. This is gonna be interesting to see how this works when we make our little necklace. It might not hang exactly the way we want it to hang. Uh-oh. There's this little thing that came with it, but it's not that strong. I think it has to go back in. Okay, the last one, this is the owl. Not perfect. All right, this time we're gonna take the pink thread And let's take a lot because we're gonna make a necklace. That looks about right. So I'm thinking owl, star, heart, star, owl, that looks cute. Oh, that's really cute. Okay, so this time I want to make sure that I put the little clasps on correctly. Meaning, so I put them on correctly. I just did one of, or I did two of the same kind. I need to do one of each. So I'm not gonna mess up this time. I did it! There's our little necklace. Oh, our owls are upside down. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you back here soon.